Hello creative souls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olga and I'm photographer from Sacramento. This video is video number 2 about one of my favorite tools, and it's Evoto. I use it all the time in the studio, and if you've missed my first video, I was tethering in my studio and edited in in a seconds as I should. So if you missed this video, I link it here. Go ahead and watch it, and today we're gonna see how I edit those images and what are my favorite parts in Evoto. So here we go. We have few images here that I shot. We did some white background images and we did had some brown background images on this photo shoot. So those there are. Let's get to edit them. So few tools that I use all the time is color adjustment. So we can go ahead and do play with the color. I really like this feature, like they have some cool filters in here. So you can choose one of the filters, for example, if you want to. Kind of like that one, that's nice. And you can have amount, how much of this filter you would like to have affect your image. Then we're gonna play a little bit with tonality and contrast. Also adjust some brightness, highlights as to your liking. Yeah, all normal things as you usually adjust your image, wherever you would like to adjust it. You have all the tools in here. So let's get to my favorite part. What is in here is this one, portrait retouching. That's exciting. Okay, let's get into this. So first we have freckles and acne removal. So we will work on that a little bit. I don't like to remove freckles, so we're not gonna remove them. Let's work a little bit about her under eye area as a dark circle and eye bags. We don't wanna overdo it. Even you might like it. Like, let's keep it natural. I like more natural editing. So let's see how it looks. We have some work with wrinkles, a lot of different wrinkles. So people have all kind of wrinkles. Every person is so different, and we have different emotions that we can see on our face with our wrinkles. So we can play with forehead wrinkles, eye wrinkles, nasal, smile, like all this stuff. So we can work with those. As much as person have them. She's young and beautiful. We don't have much wrinkles to show you, but yeah, we can just little bit work here. First, you adjust all the facial retouchment, and then you have the body. So we do not forget about body retouchment. I like that neck wrinkle removals as well. We don't have those to show you, so yeah, that's how it works. Beautiful. Then we have this tool as Dutch and Burn. So we will go to Dutch and Burn. You see how much it's changed. We don't want to overdo it, never overdo it, even like, yeah, that's too much. Get a little bit, and I like that one. I'm gonna go to extreme to show you how it works, but again, don't overdo stuff. Okay, that part is super cool, skin texture. You can play with her skin texture. Let me zoom out and show you. So you can mattify her a little bit. You can get her skin more satin or dewy. So whatever you feel like. I like dewy for a little bit, but again, to give it a little bit life, little bit light kiss. Beautiful. Okay, I like that tool. Again, I will go to extreme. Let's see. You see how it's even out all the skin. I don't like to even out this much because also her blush is removed. So just a little bit unify is beautiful. And again, we work with skin on a face and then on a body. I love it. If you want to, you can give her some tan. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, I know. It's a lot of tan. Again, we can give her a little bit of tan. Let's pretend she been somewhere in Hawaii. Beautiful. And you can also balance her temperature on the skin. Get it warmer, get it colder, adjust tint as well if you see that needed. I kind of like her colder look with this like whole look that's going on with her. I love it. Another tool that I love so much is eyes. Let's get a little bit closer to the eyes. You see, we can brighten the eyes a little bit. Work on iris. You don't want to do this. That looks fake. Let me zoom out and show you. Yeah, that's a lot. Just a little bit of the brightness, always nice. It brings a shine to her. I love it. Again, I don't want to overdo it. Whites, I don't like it full. This, let me talk about that part. How much time photographers will take you to remove her vein? Let me show you. 1 second. Here, 1 second. It's below mine. Like how fast it removes the veins from eyes. That's crazy. And I love it. Look. Oh, so beautiful. Also, we can play with some catch lights here if you need it. Don't make it fake. Like try to reflect what's going on in studio if you feel like you have not enough catch light, or if you've been somewhere outdoorsy and you didn't use additional light, so you didn't have catch light, so you can play in here. For example, if I choose this one, you can get amount of it, how much, and I know what you're thinking, like why you need it here. It's totally wrong place. So what cool, you can adjust and you can like align and put some catch light here, like rotate it even, like wherever you guys want. Yeah, love it. Okay, I think it's pretty good. So I just align with her catch light, add a tiny bit more. Beautiful. Okay, let's see this image. Perfect. Another part we're gonna play, look at her hair. It's a little bit messy, especially here on black. We can see all those straight lines and all that stuff. So we have straight hair removal here. This part where I like to go for 100. Sometimes not, but most of the times I do. Then I like to smooth her hair for a little bit. Let me show you when you go 100. That looks fake, really fake, like AI fake. So you don't want this much. I always like to smooth it just a tiny bit and give a shine to it. Love it. Okay, that looks pretty good. But you probably notice here, it's also remove her jewelry. So we don't want it to be removed, right? We have this tool to remove and tell program, please don't touch this area. That area is not a hair, so don't edit it out. Boom. It's not touching it. Perfect. I love that image a lot. This is fun part. Hair color. Let's see how she's gonna look. Ooh, I like it. But we're not gonna do this for her. So we're not gonna edit, we're gonna keep it as it is. What is cool part about all of that? So I edit this one image, and now I can select that one and select the rest of them and go to sync. And now all of those editing, for example, let's go to this image. It's applied in here. You might need to work a little bit with catch light and see if it's going well in here or not. Might be adjustment a little bit, but most of the edit, it looks pretty good. So another my favorite part about Evoto is work with background. So what we have here, we have some distractions on the side, a lot of distractions. We have not really clean background, some marks in here, some heels marks. So let's work on that. We go into panel with background adjustment. First, we're gonna remove distractions. Then let's go close up to here. You can see all this dirtiness. Boom, 5 seconds. Oh my God. It was taking me so much time to edit this part before. It's insane. Like 1 second. How much time you can get into what you love to do, like which is photo shoot, instead of removing dirt from your background, right? Thank you, Evoto. Seriously, I love that. That's one of my favorite features. And also, just in case if your background, like for example, different and you have something here different than on the bottom, you can also play separately and edit separately background and ground. If you need to exchange your background color, for example, you can do it as well. We're not gonna do it today. I love the white we did. Awesome. So, and again, this one, the same story, we can just sync it, and here we go. Boom. Just a few seconds and it's edited. I love that. Okay, that one is pretty good. We sync it from previous image. Like I said, we might go to catch light and adjust it a little bit because it's not on a location where we want it. Now it is. That's nice. Or you can fully remove it because we have it here. So that's beautiful. But I want to show you one more tool. You see her clothes tiny bit wrinkled? So we can go ahead and then wrinkle it. Again, I show you to extreme, but you do the way it looks natural. How amazing. Look at her hair. Oh, love it. That's so beautiful. Okay, so that was all what I did in studio. That's so amazing. And again, this one was edited just from syncing the image. Just need to work with catch light, and that's it. But this one, beautiful image, but sky is plain. Yeah, that's very plain. So we have some super cool tool in here. We have some sky replacement. They have recommendations of a lot of different skies in here. And you can also do your background. If you, for example, wanna this one and put office in a background, you can upload your background. On this one, they have plenty of different skies here. So you can edit out and see what sky you like the most. Oh, I like that one. That's perfect. Yes, beautiful. I think it suits this image really well. It's also affected a little bit this human and scenery adjustment. So it's really matching the color of the scenery. You can see if 100% you see she become blue as well. So we need to make sure it's not affected. So you just play here with some of those tools. Perfect. Also, you can crop this image if you need it. All here in Evoto. Love it. Okay, here we have it. Beautiful. So what do you guys think? I love this program. I think it does amazing job and it's edited pretty well for me. I might adjust some things in Photoshop, but most of the job is done here. And I love that. Guys, if you want to try this program for yourself, I have a link below to try for 15 credits free, and also I have an up to 20% off of your purchase of credits. So you can try this program for yourself. Now now for Black Friday, Evoto has a special deal that's up to 35% off. That's amazing. You really don't want to miss this deal. It's only from November 24th to December 1st, so don't miss it. Use this special offer. So let me know what you guys think in comments below, and I will see you in next one.